Okay, here we are today installing the brand new Alpine sound bar. So we're gonna unbox it today. We took off the roof, requires you to take off the roof on the Pioneer. So we're gonna go ahead and start the process. So here we go, Walt, let's start taking it out. So Walt ordered it online. This is how it came packaged. This one has 4 speakers, has the receiver, everything, and light and a dome light all built in. You can see it right from the beginning. This is specifically mounted for a Honda Pioneer 1000. You can see in here, got a packing wire and a bracket. So we'll start it. All right, so first step of the process was pull out the C-clamps, attach them to the roll bar. There's 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Instructions seem pretty easy. There's 2 cross members going to hold the actual sound bar. So you can see right here, C-clamps and sound bar. Okay, so we found a little snag. We put the parts out for the sound bar, realized there's not a few bolts are missing to mount it up to the brackets. So we had to go up to the hardware store and get those. Okay, so we're testing out the visibility. So if you can see, we pushed the speaker bar all the way up front. So you have full visibility, have headroom in the cab. Okay, we got everything tightened up, brackets. Now we're feeding the wire through all the way down the roll cage, down the opening, and then going right to the battery. Right now we're trying to figure out which harness goes.
Is that the harness there? No.
Okay, so now we hook the negative to ground right on the battery. We crimped the wires on the positive and ran to the positive terminal and put the fuse in. Okay, now we got power. Okay, here we are finalizing putting the roof on. Taking the wire through. Tighten up the mirror. We had to readjust the mirror because the mirror was in the middle. Now we're coming down and tighten up the rest of the roof. And we're gonna test it out tonight on a sunset ride. All right, so after the installation of the sound bar, coming out down by the lake, hanging out with the dog, and just watching the sunset. Perfect thing to have. You always want to have sound in your side-by-side. It has the CD player, the tuner. It actually has, you can actually have Sirius XM. So it has its 4 speakers and it has obviously the neon lights that flash on and off with the bass. So for about 900 bucks, took us about 3 or 4 hours to install it using the mounting brackets in the factory. It's definitely worth it.